Hi there, Cape Town. My name is Sasha Rode, and I have an innovative idea that the healthcare system has been sleeping on. Excuse the pun. Every day, South African hospitals struggle with overcrowding. Patients wait hours, even days, in emergency rooms because bed availability is manually tracked, inefficient, and outdated. Doctors and nurses waste precious time trying to locate open beds instead of focusing on saving lives. And in critical situations, a delay of just a few minutes can mean the difference between life and death. Bedlink SA is a smart automated hospital bed management system that uses heat sensor technology and RFID tracking to instantly detect available beds in real time without needing a device on every bed. Installed in each ward, our heat sensors detect body heat signatures while RFID tags track the patient's location. This allows us to not only know which beds are occupied, but also where each patient is in the hospital, whether they're in a bed, being moved, or stepped out just for a moment. So, why is this a game changer? Firstly, there's real-time bed tracking, no more guessing or manual checking. Faster patient admissions reduces ER waiting time significantly. Optimized resource allocation. Staff can prioritize care more effectively. Patient movement tracking. Know when patients are transferred or stepped out. Emergency response integration. EMS services can check available beds before arriving at the hospital. Our primary market is government hospitals, starting in the Western Cape before expanding nationally. We will operate on a subscription-based model where hospitals pay a once-off installation fee plus a monthly service fee for real-time tracking and analytics. With just 50 hospitals on board, Bedlink SA could generate 50 million plus annually, while improving hospital efficiency and saving countless lives. The South African health system urgently needs smarter, cost-effective solutions. Unlike expensive international alternatives, Bedlink SA is proudly South African, built affordably for our local healthcare challenges. Plus, with government backing for digital healthcare innovation, our solution aligns with national health priorities, making it easier to secure funding and partnerships. We are looking for funding partners, tech developers, and hospital pilot sites to bring Bedlink SA to life. Youth Start Cape Town is the perfect platform to showcase how this innovation can revolutionize healthcare in South Africa. With your support, we can transform patient care, save lives, and create jobs in tech and healthcare. Let's make it happen together, South Africa.